In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove members from your Outlook contact group. Whether you're managing small groups or large teams, efficiently handling your contact list is crucial. By the end of this short guide, you'll be adept at adjusting your contacts to fit your needs seamlessly. To begin our journey, open up Microsoft Outlook. You'll typically find this program in your list of applications if you're using a desktop or in your app menu on a mobile device. Once you've got Outlook open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice the Sign In button. It's your gateway to accessing all the features Outlook has to offer, so go ahead and click it. Once you're on the sign in page, you'll need to enter your email address and your secure password. It's extremely important to double check your email and password to ensure they are correctly entered, as this will help you avoid any unnecessary login troubles. After successfully logging in, the main dashboard of Outlook will greet you. Now locate the people icon on the left side of the interface. This section is dedicated to managing your contacts, so give it a click. You're now in the zone where all your contact lists, including any groups you've created, are stored. To modify a contact group, find the particular group you wish to edit. Perhaps it's a work group for a large project or a social club gathering list. Once you have located your desired contact group, select it by clicking on the group's name. This will reveal more detailed options for managing the group. After accessing the group, look for the Edit button. This button will allow you to change the group settings and its list of members. If you need to remove any members, find the member's name you intend to take out and look for a small X next to their name. Clicking this X will remove them from the group, so go ahead and remove all members who no longer need to be included. Once you've made your changes, it's crucial to save them to ensure your adjustments are preserved. Find the Save button, typically located somewhere in the upper or lower corner of the screen, and give it a click. This action solidifies all the changes you've made to your contact group. You've now successfully maneuvered through updating your Outlook contact group, ensuring it's perfectly tailored to your current needs. Remember, maintaining an organized contact list helps keep your communications smooth and efficient. Join us in upcoming videos for more insights on mastering Outlook and enhancing your productivity. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.